trespass you.
Here you are?
Yeah,
I dare you.
The failure to give your name.
Get the out of here. Off. Shut up. Shut up. Call a supervisor. How about that? Call a supervisor since you want to step up to me and arrest me.
I'm going to arrest you.
Oh, you are?
Disorderly conduct.
Really?
If you don't
You're going to be
mind
the complainant? You're going to be the...
I will be the complainant.
Oh, you will?
Yes.
I don't have a First Amendment right there, Tyrant?
You have
Huh?
all rights.
I don't have a First Amendment right to tell you to fuck off right now? Are you serious? Go ahead. Oppress my rights. I dare you. I'll see you in court in a 1983 litigation lawsuit. Okay. Go ahead. I got one in Mass pending and I got one in New Hampshire. Test me. I will strip your qualified immunity and kick your ass out of here myself. Let's go. Trespass me.
Is that a threat?
No, it's not a threat.
Is that a threat?
I'm telling you to walk away. Put your ego aside and walk away.
My ego is...
Put it aside and walk away. Call a supervisor right now. Call a supervisor. Call a supervisor.
Who's my supervisor?
Whoever your supervising commander is, call him here right now. You're escalating the situation. You're threatening me with an arrest and an illegal trespass. Call your supervisor. Or kick rocks. Yeah, I thought so.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Is there something we can help you with?
No. Is this Department of Corrections?
It's Department of Corrections Human Resources, so
Okay.
we're actually DAFs, not Department of Corrections.
Okay. That's all.
Is there a reason you're videoing us?
Yeah.
While we're at work?
Yep, that's exactly why I'm videoing you, because you're at work.
And
You
you're
guys
part
work
of-
for the public, so I'm just taking pictures and I'm
so you
documenting.
don't work for anybody, you're just here taking pictures?
That's it, yeah.
All right.
Yep. No. No. You have any?
What is this concerning, sir?
I don't know. I'm just taking some pictures in a public building. That's what I'm doing.
But no, you're taking pictures of my staff in a public
My staff.
building.
You work for the people. So you
Do
should
wanna
probably
call
learn your
some
role.
Security?
Yeah, call the Ghostbusters. They're not going to do anything either. I'm going to take pictures and videos and not be oppressed by it.
We're an HR department.
Cool. All right. So how do I go about doing a public records request?
I don't know. I work for the Department of Administrative and Financial Services.
Okay. What is your name?
So you don't need my name.
I don't. Can I see your badge?
No.
You're gonna hide your badge? That's
I don't know who you are.
That's professional.
I don't know who you are or why you're doing this.
That's really professional.
Well,
I
it's
appreciate
not
it.
very
So why should I
professional.
listen to you if you're just not gonna identify yourself? I don't even know if you work here.
I wouldn't be in here. You can't get in this door. If you
It's
don't
public
work.
record, by the way.
You can't get in this door.
You
if
should probably
don't
just
work.
identify yourself and tell me who you
You
are.
should probably identify yourself.
I don't have to. I don't work for the public.
Are they coming?
I don't care if they come or not.
Because he's getting aggressive.
Aggressive, huh? How am I getting aggressive? Like physically aggressive? Mentally aggressive?
Verbally aggressive.
Verbally aggressive? Verbally aggressive. You want to escalate this now?
He has a name tag that says right here.
That's my name. Yeah, close the door. Bye, Karen. I'll call you Karen. Oh, you think it was going to be that easy? Look at them. Look at them flock like cockroaches. Turn the light on and they all run and scatter.
You're all good, man.
Oh, man. Are you security?
Yep.
You are?
Hey, how are you?
Oh, how you
Where
doing?
do you
Are you
live?
security?
No.
Oh.
Why would we need security?
Well, because apparently they were called.
No, for what?
For me.
For what?
I don't know.
No,
You-
of course not.
I'm
reading them with the commissioner.
Are you the commissioner?
Yeah,
Department
nice
of Corrections.
Pleasure to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Mark.
Nice to meet you too. Yep. Can I help you in any way?
Maybe. Yeah, actually, I was just talking to the director upstairs, who was slightly rude. But that's besides the point because we're going to start our conversation. They're look at just taking pictures now, but they want us to call security. It is okay. I'm not a hypocrite.
No, of
they
course
can take pictures all they want.
Yeah.
I don't know what the staff needs to be. Here we go. How you doing, sir?
How you doing, buddy? Yeah.
Good.
Capitol Police?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Name and badge number, please.
I don't have a badge.
Okay, let's name
Alan
and badge number.
Carr.
Okay, and you don't have a badge number. Do you have an ID number? Serial number?
What do you need all that stuff?
Do you have a car number?
No. Well, I'm in a car.
Okay, what's the car number? Two forms of identification is all I need.
Car 5.
Car 5. Awesome, thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem. What's
You
what's
recording?
going on? Because I'm recording. Aren't you recording?
I know, but were you going to tell me? Is there a policy or something you guys have to?
No.
Okay, I'm just curious
No.
because some states have policies where they have to advise the other party that they're recording.
This is true.
That's all. Okay, so you are recording. Good. More cameras. Bringing more cameras to the party here. Can you identify this lady, please? Because I asked her to identify herself because she wanted to give me some authority. And I'd like to do a public records request on her as well. So that's number one. And then security, I don't know why security was even called.
They're in these buildings all the time.
Yeah, but you didn't come here for a reason, for no reason.
No, I'm here.
You came around, you saw me recording, and you shook my hand right away, knowing exactly. Look, you got a whole party going on here.
So what?
It's fine. I'm not. I don't care about the response. I really don't.
Yeah.
I think that these people here, okay, need to understand that we have a right to record in this public building.
Of course you do. Yeah.
That's it.
Well,
End of story.
We're there. Yeah,
But you don't
I
have-
told them that. Yeah, we're there.
Yeah, I don't know who you are. I don't know what your intentions here are. I'm just
in the building.
if they're worried about something, okay, like somebody recording in here, it's either they don't take my word for it ever. So law enforcement or directors or something
There's no concern.
there is on their end.
No,
And I just
explain
want to
to
make
them they're good.
I just want to make sure that they're okay and understand that I'm legally able to be here and
Correct.
record.
Well,
That's
you-
all.
But they have a legal right to refuse to talk to you.
Not necessarily. They're public workers. If I have business to conduct and I need questions answered or some sort of directive of where I need to go for some sort of information, they
What do you
should
need?
probably be.
What do you need?
Well, I need to.
Besides just talking with people for
I can't just ask people questions that work for the government. Just
for what
basic
government?
questions.
What government you work for?
No, I'm talking about them.
Oh.
I just have basic questions. Like they came out here, they asked me what I was doing. I told them what I was doing, and then I asked them their name to identify themselves, so I knew who I'm talking to. And then maybe from there, I can go to what I actually need.
What would you need? How can I help you?
Public records request. How do I do that with this office?
What would you like? Tell me.
Well, I need her name, first of all, because she didn't want to identify herself. She has a badge, and she covered it. So I just need her name so I can pull records regarding her salary and position and so forth. Are we all leaving? What's going on here?
I'm going to go eat my lunch.
That wasn't very professional and polite. Why would you just walk away from me?
Well, it's quite apparent that we're not answering your questions to
Yeah.
your satisfaction.
Go figure, right?
So, true.
Go figure.
What I would say is,
Hey, you started off great, and now you're just walking away rude, huh? Okay, and you wonder why I record you guys. Unbelievable.
do me a favor.
Don't give me any directives. Don't tell me where to go and what to do.
I'm not gonna.
Okay, what is it?
I'm not gonna.
What is it?
I was just gonna say be pleasant with people.
As long as they're pleasant with me, and they abide by their policies,
What's your name, sir?
I'm not giving you that. It's right
Oh,
here.
I see.
It's right here.
I see how this
You like
works.
that? Yeah, you're a public servant. I have a Fourth Amendment right. You identify, I don't. That's exactly how it works.
So
I'm all
she
set.
don't have to.
Yeah, she
If
should.
you-
It's
if you
professional.
continue- Excuse me.
It's professional.
If you continue to harass these people.
Harass these people? What are you, from down south?
Yes, I am.
You are, I can tell. All right, have a good day.
I will give you a criminal trespass order.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
Do it then.
I didn't say I would arrest you.
Yeah,
I said
I
I'd
know.
give you a criminal trespass.
No, you won't.
You
No, you
won't be
won't.
allowed here.
Go ahead.
All right.
Give it to me right now. Give it to me right now and see how far I go. Give it to me.
I got to write
Give it to me.
Relax.
You ain't getting my information, so who are you trespassing?
I'm going to trespass you.
Here you are? I
The
dare
fail-
you.
The failure to give your name.
Get the out of here. Off. Shut up. Shut up. Call a supervisor. How about that? Call a supervisor since you want to step up to me and arrest me.
I'm going to arrest you.
Oh, you
for
are?
disorderly conduct.
Really?
If you don't.
You're going to be
mind
the complainant?
accused.
You're going to be the...
I will be the complainant.
Oh, you will?
Yes.
I don't have a First Amendment right there, Tyrant?
You have
Huh?
all rights.
I don't have a First Amendment right to tell you to fuck off right now? Are you serious? Go ahead. Oppress my rights. I dare you. I'll see you in court in a 1983 litigation lawsuit.
Okay.
Go ahead. I got one in Mass pending and I got one in New Hampshire. Test me. I will strip your qualified immunity and kick your ass out of here myself. Let's go. Trespass me.
Is that a threat?
No, it's not a threat.
Is that a threat?
I'm telling you to walk away. Put your ego aside and walk away.
My ego is.
Put it aside and walk away. Call a supervisor right now. Call a supervisor. Call a supervisor.
Who's my supervisor?
Whoever your supervising commander is, call him here right now. You're escalating the situation. You're threatening me with an arrest and an illegal trespass. Call your supervisor. Or kick rocks. Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. Best to do is walk away. Tuck tail and walk away. Tuck your tail and walk away. The best decision you can make today is to walk away. I will strip your pension and your retirement and your qualified immunity. Screw.
You always thought like that?
To people like you, I do, yeah. Yeah, I'm the authority figure here, not you. You have no authority over me. You work for me until I break the law.
You have no authority.
Yeah, I do. That's why you're going to walk away and I'm not, right? What do you want to do, old man?
Oh, man.
Yeah, what do you want to do? What do you want to do?
I want you to realize.
Yeah?
that
Realize
you're
what?
going nowhere.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You're going nowhere.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Yeah. Good luck with your trespass. Yeah, and disorderly conduct. How'd that work out? Look at the parking job.
Hi.
How you doing? You a supervisor?
I am.
You are, awesome, because I requested one from the officer, older gentleman, to request you here because he was starting to threaten me with an illegal trespass. He was also telling me that I was failing to identify myself, and that he was going to try to get me for disorderly conduct if I kept up my language with him, which is not true because I could swear at you guys all day long and you can't do a goddamn thing about it.
Well, that's true to an extent.
It is.
If there was other people around that might find it offensive.
Yeah, well, good luck with Turner versus Driver and Smith versus Cummings and all that other case law that protects us from you guys and our freedom of speech.
Okay.
So, if you guys want to arrest me or trespass me, let's go to court, dude. That's all I'm saying.
No, I'm just here to listen. I'm just trying to, listen to what you have to say.
Yeah, I'm literally in here. I'm taking pictures. I'm recording, and
But you can only be in what areas that the public would be allowed into. You can't go into a secure area. You can't video into a secure area.
I can video into every secure area. I just can't be in it. Are we on the same page?
I'm not going to sit here.
I'm asking you.
Looking at your facial expressions and.
I'm asking you.
Trying to do.
Okay, well, you know what? You want to bite the bait? Go ahead.
Excuse me?
You want to bite the bait? Go ahead. I didn't bait you guys here. I didn't call you guys here. I was very respectful to people until they wanted to try to oppress my rights and tell me I can't do something I could legally do and then call you guys to try to enforce their feelings, which you don't. So I suggest you just go educate them, let them know what's going on.
Get off my vehicle.
This is my vehicle.
Sir, you get your hand off of the vehicle.
I will touch this vehicle all day long. Why don't you wash the vehicle if you give a so much?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I see where this is going.
I will touch the vehicle all day long.
8-8.
And there's not a f***ing thing you could do about it, Sergeant. And I'll even look in the vehicle. We pay taxes on this vehicle. This is more my vehicle than it ever will be yours. Learn your f***ing place, okay, Sarge? That was rude to just walk away, man. Not very professional. But that's all right. Can I get your name and badge number for the record, please?
Trask, 1388.
How do you spell it? I'm sorry.
Trask, T-R-A-S-K.
Okay,
Yep.
awesome. Appreciate it. You too. Off. Disorderly conduct. F*** you. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Bye. Ta-ta, sweetheart. Have fun in retirement, dude.